Hello everyone, welcome to maths classes. Today we are going to discuss about the modulus and conjugate of a complex numbers. First we are going to define modulus of a complex number. Let Z be a complex number a plus iota b where a and b are real numbers. Then modulus of z is denoted by mod z and this is defined as a square plus b square and square root of that. This is a square always greater than equal to 0. This is a square always greater than equal to 0. And the square root of a non-negative number is always non-negative. That's why mod of z is always greater than equal to 0. Geometrically, we can see z is a complex number a plus iota b. A and this is b. This is the real part of z. This is imaginary part of z. Join this point with origin. Now this is a right angle triangle and this hypotenuse of the triangle will be square of a, square of b and square root of this. Means the distance of z from the origin is equal to square root of a square plus b square, that is mod of z. Mod of z is nothing but the distance of a complex number from origin. This is the geometrical interpretation. Mod of z will be 0 if and only if z is 0 itself, 0 plus 0 iota. क्योंकि if z is 0 plus 0 iota, then mod of z will be 0 square plus 0 square, that is 0. If either of these real and imaginary part is non-zero, then mod of z will also be non-zero. Next is conjugate of a complex number. If z is equal to a plus iota b, the complex number, then conjugate of z is denoted by z bar. This is the symbol for denoting the conjugate of z, z bar. And this is obtained by changing the sign of imaginary part of z. If that is plus, convert that plus into minus. If this is minus, change this into plus. Change the sign of imaginary part. So if z is equal to a plus iota b, then z bar will be a minus iota b. So we can see that z mod of z is a real number. This is the sum of the real numbers. That's why mod of z is a real number. Modulus is always a real number. Z bar is a complex number. If z is equal to a plus iota b, then we are just changing the sign of imaginary part. Z bar is a complex number, may be purely real, may be purely imaginary as well. Now, next result is z is equal to z bar. Z और z bar equal तभी हो सकते हैं जब z real हो. For example, z हमने लिया 2. 2 means 2 plus 0 iota. तो z बार क्या हो जाएगा 2 minus 0 iota and 2 minus 0 iota 2 ही है. तो z और z बार इक्वल हुए एक ही पॉसिबिलिटी में जब इमेजिनरी पार्ट 0 हो, मीन्स z प्योरली रियल हो. एक और प्रॉपर्टी है mod ऑफ z सॉरी और z बार कंजुगेट और z का दोनों का ही मॉडुलस सेम होगा. mod ऑफ z विल बी a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर. z बार का मोड क्या होगा a स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस b का होल स्क्वायर, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर. दीज टू आर इक्वल. दैट्स व्हाई mod of z and mod of z bar are equal. We are taking one example. Let z be 2 plus 3 iota. Find mod of z and conjugate of z. Mod of z रियल पार्ट का स्क्वायर 2 स्क्वायर प्लस इमेजिनरी पार्ट का स्क्वायर 3 स्क्वायर. 2 स्क्वायर इज 4, 3 स्क्वायर इज 9 एंड स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस स्क्वायर रूट 13. दिस इज अ रियल नंबर. mod of z is a real number. Now z bar conjugate of z. This is z2 plus 3 iota. Just change the sign of imaginary part of z. This is 2 plus 3 iota. Then conjugate of z will be 2 minus 3 iota. This is about modulus and conjugate of a complex number. Thank you.